Welcome to another episode of Box TV. Now, this episode is about annoying niggas and niggas who always in a female's inbox. First, you have the niggas them watch the woman them status. Like, them try to talk to them before, but not never happen. So now them just watch them status. For instance, a woman put up some things like, oh, I'm having a rough day. Them inna the inbox. Oh, I don't feel good today. Them inna the inbox. Feel so lonely and tired. Them inna the inbox. Anything where it seem like a woman and her man have a little bit of problem. Them inna the inbox. Then them inna the inbox and them now make shit better for woman them just start flirt and start go on, and inside the woman them can't even put up a post expressing how them feel at the moment without the nigga them inna the inbox. Some man wanna run gun inna the inbox and wanna do nothing right. Some man wanna annoying. While a woman put up certain things to just express how them feel at the moment at the time. Them no need a next nigga inna the inbox a try fuck. Oh, I'm bored. Them inna the inbox. Sometimes a woman just post because them want post. Them not necessarily mean like if my post this more want 10 niggas inna the inbox a try fuck. Them niggas you don't know how to have a conversation in the woman them inbox without try fi fuck. Like dog, you can't have a regular conversation in the inbox without try being flirtatious or try fi push up your hood or try fuck. The niggas them know where in the girl them inbox I beg them crutches and all of these things, and the woman them turn them down. And after you get turned down, you start disrespect the woman them in the inbox. Dog, you don't know about screenshot. Then you have the one them and say them not do certain things, but them in the girl them inbox I beg fi eat the crutches. And when the woman them turn them down, them start disrespect them. Dog, you don't know about screenshot. The woman them and say you have some boy with us, just add them. Just send them friend requests. Just press the add button. And niggas with them hood picture, before them even say I, them have this hood picture in them inbox. Nigga, come down, look a bit. Oh, no do it. Nah man. Box. And I saw your great woman there. Some of them boy you can't have conversation on Facebook or IG or anywhere where them have to have private inbox without being flirtatious or try for the woman or something. Yes, it's okay to flirt, but some of the time the woman them no want flirt, them just want to have a conversation with a friend. When the niggas wanna know the difference, come down look a bit, when want a back. And remember ladies, sometimes some woman give off some sign, yes, but sometimes you have to be a man and watch the approach. Worse if you have all upon your status say you're in a relationship or you're engaged or you have a girl dog. You have to watch your approach. You can't say certain things to them girl, and then when them say no, you start disrespect them. Them can screenshot it. Then when your business they are road now, you try to find a next way for disrespect the girl. You don't tell the girl say you want to eat the coochie in the inbox. You go low dog. If you can't have a conversation with a girl like a regular thing dog, no inbox side. Where you see me cocky picture in the inbox for after the girl say no. Say she no want to see. The girl them a do no bad dog, a screenshot and a let out on the thing that it don't look good dog. If you know a nigga with us constantly in your inbox where you tell him no, you have a man, you have a this, you have a that, then you post up something and just in it, and you know what you want to try though. Share, comment, like, dislike, whatever. Subscribe to War Professor on Facebook. Wait, War Professor fans, cause the first of them report my page, but them not seem to understand, so I still have my camera, I still can talk, I still have YouTube. So don't forget to go up on YouTube at War Professor again and watch all of the box video episode them, cause we not top. We could have report till next week come. Share, subscribe, buy a box t-shirt, buy one for your friend. Some boy need to come down a little bit and stop the fuckery. Big up everybody who still a support. I almost love you know. Box, don't move your face. Gone.